What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pepe fam, I am back. Pepe holders, I know you guys are out there. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold Pepe. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, guys, and crypto is very risky, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. But again, my thesis still stands with Pepe. I think Pepe is going to be the biggest meme coin sender in this bull cycle, and Pepe is going to crush it and make a lot of people a lot of money. So that's why I think, you know, having a meme coin in your portfolio, nothing is wrong with that, and having some exposure to Pepe, in my opinion, is not a bad idea, right? Now, obviously, don't break the bank on it, but just some exposure to Pepe could give you some gains for this next bull cycle, and that's what we're here for, man. We're here for the gains. Right now, Pepe is down to that 1135 range at $444 million in market cap. Again, a great entry to DCA in the Pepe. Anything under 500 mil market cap for Pepe, in my opinion, is a steal, right? Anything under 500 million is a steal, so I would definitely be happy to scoop up some Pepe here if you were looking into getting into the project, right? Volume right now, $72 million in volume, 93% circulating. Binance, Kraken, Gemini, all bullish on Pepe. Gemini showing a lot of love to Pepe as well. We were making a nice move up recently with Bitcoin in the recent days, making a nice move up, and then all of a sudden, bang, out of nowhere, Bitcoin just fell off. You see, Bitcoin is the orange brownish colored line, just fell off from 30k to 25k, 26k in an instant, bang. Right? A lot of projects got hit by that, and Pepe was one of them, right? So that's why we retraced below 500 million, because we were holding that 500 mil market cap level, right, as support. Now we're starting to make a little move back up, you know, peeping our head up from here. But going into the bull cycle, that's when you're going to see the huge explosion for Pepe. Pepe has never seen a bull run. You got to remember how retail investors think. They love meme coins, right? They love projects. Like, this is why Shiba Inu was one of the best performing assets in the last cycle, because retail investors love meme coins. They love projects with that community driven aspect. They love projects that have a ton of zeros, right? And, you know, they could buy a little bit and then get a ton of assets, right? Even $100 in Pepe gets you around how much, right? $100 in Pepe gets you 8 million. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, around. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 88 million. My bad. I can't count right now. My apologies, guys. I was out, you know, for a few days off YouTube because I had some crazy headaches, so I'm still affected by it, right? You know. So yeah, 88 million Pepe for $100. Retail investors are gonna be like, whoa, I might become a millionaire with $100 invested, right? And my target for Pepe for the bull cycle is $50 billion in market cap. Maybe even 100 billion, because that's what Shiba did in the last cycle, right? I think that's what Pepe is gonna do. 50 billion to 100 bill in market cap going into the bull run. I really think that's gonna be possible here for Pepe, and that's gonna be 100x to 200x, right? So if you got $1,000 invested in Pepe, you get 100x from here. That's $100,000. You get a 200x. That's $200,000, and I wouldn't be mad at that, right? Who would be mad at turning $1,000 into 6 figures, right? I already said if Pepe drops back down to 100 mil, like we get another flash crash and recession hits and some kind of crazy black swan event hits once again, so we could touch lows again and Pepe goes to 100 mil market cap, I'm taking out a loan, I'm asking my friends for help financially, and I'm buying Pepe. If I only see 200 mil to 100 mil market cap for Pepe, I am gonna go balls deep. I'm telling you guys, right? Because I know my instincts, everything tell me Pepe is gonna be one of the biggest senders for the bull cycle, and I'm going to stand on that. right? And this is your chance to potentially make 100x, 200x, if not more. Especially if something happens in the space where we see one huge capitulation one more time, right? One more capitulation, and you know that's gonna be the biggest. That's gonna be the generational bottom that people always talk about, right? I saw some interesting comments from the community here, from Lin Pen. This is my second favorite meme coin. Top spot is XRP. Excessive frog licking equals ridiculous price estimates. Mario, Pepe's love, Pepe love it. Stablecoin 10 to 20x soon. Way more than that going into the bull cycle, man. I'm telling you, way more than what people expect going into the bull cycle. From Musta, I'm bullish on Pepe. It seems that the moon is soon, right? And if we take a look at the chart right here, like I said, you can see the pop up for Pepe. And you know, like I said, we were making a nice little move, but Bitcoin absolutely crapped the bed on us. Huge wick down for Pepe. And let's go to Twitter so I could show you guys what happened. It was basically a flash crash, right? People are speculating either Elon was selling. Look at this, $1 billion liquidated from crypto in the crypto market in the past 24 hours. A huge flash crash happened. People are speculating even Elon sold off $373 million of his Bitcoin, and Bitcoin just absolutely plummeted below $26,000, went all the way down to 25k at a point. But it, you know, that dip got bought up, and it's absolutely beautiful to see that Pepe is already starting to make a nice little move up. If we go to the Twitter followers growing, man. We were at 420k followers. Now we're almost at 500k followers for Pepe, right? And the token image for Pepe has this is updated from the Twitter, you know. Token image for Pepe has been updated on Etherscan and Dex tools. Currently waiting on CoinMarketCap to update, and would like to ask KuCoin Johnny to update the logo to the green Pepe as well. So they finally got rid of the hat. You know, we don't want any political reference with our meme coin, right? We don't want it to be political. It's all about fun, no intrinsic value. It's all about fun and making gains. even though we don't want to, you know, we don't want to put that image as Pepe's investment, you know, you expect value type of return type of deal, you know. This update is pretty nice. So it's already updated on Etherscan and Dex tools without the hat, and I love what I see there, because you know, the hat represents political affiliations, political talks, right? But that's not what we're going for at Pepe, right? Pepe is love, guys. Pepe is love, right? And yeah, so that is a bullish update, and we'll see what happens as the market continues to play out, guys. Pepe, in my opinion, like I said, is gonna outperform a lot of the other memes. Shiba, Doge, all the other top memes. Everybody's gonna FOMO into Pepe. Retail is gonna love this project, man. When CMC updates the logo with the hat as well, get that hat out of here. Keep it just the green frog, man. People on my channel, when we do live streams, we love Pepe. You know, I know a lot of people got some exposure to it. Gains will be made with Pepe, in my opinion, right? So that's why I'm covering it on the channel. I'm covering projects that I think could get some gains in the future. And if we go through all these other meme coins, there's only a few of them that haven't seen a bull cycle, right? There's only a few that haven't seen a bull cycle. There's only a few that have such iconic presence to it. Like, you know, even talking about other projects, for example, you'll see people sharing information about their project but using the Pepe frog, right? I think the characters resonate so much with investing or just life, from TradFi to crypto, from Wall Street bets to the stock market to just in general day-to-day life. That frog character, man, that frog character is imbued in our subconscious. And I think when retail finally starts to get back into the space, when we see the total market cap going to $2-3 trillion, a lot of them are gonna FOMO into Pepe, man. And that's when you start taking profits. That's how the cycles go, man. When nobody's talking about crypto, that's when you're buying. And then let's go take a look at the fear and greed index. See, right now we're in fear. This is when you start buying. Soon as you see this this white dial go all the way to the green, and then we go to extreme greed or max greed, whatever it's gonna be called, you start taking profits. Okay, that's how it's done. That's how it's done in this space, guys. So Pepe fam, let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Share this video with your friends and family. If you hold Pepe, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let's blow these videos up and get them out there. Not just my videos, but every content creator that covers your favorite projects. Give them some great support, man. This is how we spread more awareness. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.